Most people think making long AI videos is a paid game. An hour of content means expensive tools, platform subscriptions, and credits that run out mid-project. So most of the creators either pay up or they stay stuck at 5-minute videos, which don't monetize properly and don't build authority. Here's what we'll build. A NotebookLM project with a fully sourced script, a scene-by-scene visual plan with every decision mapped, AI-generated visuals animated and ready, a voiced and edited video with no length limit, 4 steps, 1 engine. And at the end, I'll show you the finished video. Let's build it. If you want more free AI video systems like this, hit subscribe. I post new videos every week. I'm building this video engine around the motivational speech niche. You can run the exact same process for any niche, just swap the topic. Everything else stays identical. Open NotebookLM and create a new project. When the project opens, you land straight on the Source Edition screen. That's your starting point. Open a new tab and search Motivation for Work. As you browse the results, be selective. Skip forums like Reddit and Quora. Comments can be unreliable. Stick to trusted sources, health organizations, research institutions, established publications. I selected 5 URLs and pasted them directly into NotebookLM. Hit Next. Now go to Settings, Chat, Custom. Paste in the role prompt, which you can see on your screen now, also in the description. This prompt is built specifically for motivational speech videos. It instructs NotebookLM to write in short punch sentences. And that's not a style choice, it's essential. Short, direct sentences are what keeps people listening through a full motivational video. Paste it to NotebookLM settings and save it. Go to the chat and type, write a 4,500-word script for a motivational speech for work video. 4,500 words is roughly 30 minutes of video. If you want shorter or longer, just change the number. That's your length control. Hit send and watch the script come back. You will see little numbers on the script. Let me pause on one of them. NotebookLM shows the exact source it came from. Every single claim in this script is connected to a real source like that, which is what makes it strong. Let me read you a part from the script. You must use positive self-talk and constantly visualize your ultimate professional success. You must cultivate a powerful and incredibly resilient internal mental growth mindset. Every sentence gives an actionable solution. That structure is what drives motivation, and the role prompt builds it in automatically. Writing a long 4,500-word script like this would normally take hours, maybe even days. With this system, it took minutes. And most importantly, the final script is authentic, which means anyone using this method can create an original, monetizable script. Before we jump into step 2, one quick thing. I created a guide called the Faceless YouTube Engine. It walks you through 9 clear stages of building a faceless YouTube video, without the fluff. Each stage includes a checklist and a homework task, so you're not just watching, you're actually building. And throughout the guide, we create a real sample video together, just like we're doing in this video, so nothing stays theoretical. So if you've never published a video before, this is the best place to start. Link is in the description. Script done. Now we build the visual plan. This is the step most people skip, and it's exactly why their videos look random. Without a visual plan, you sit down to edit with a pile of footage and no map. Every scene decision eats time. Every transition becomes a guess. The visual plan eliminates all of that before you open a single editing tool. Open ChatGPT. Claude or Gemini work too. The prompt runs the same across all of them. Before pasting anything, let me show you the visual plan prompt. This prompt is designed to change the scene every 20 to 40 words. In a motivational video, that's not optional. That's what keeps the viewer hooked. If the visual stays the same for too long, people scroll away. This prompt prevents that automatically. Paste the prompt in. Now paste the full script underneath. One thing worth noting. When you paste a long script like this, ChatGPT may create an attachment instead of dropping the text directly into the chat. That's normal with long content. Just send it as is. Watch what comes back. A table. 1 row per scene, 4 columns. Let me walk you through the first scene. This cell is the voiceover, the exact sentence from the script, capped at 25 words. This is your sync map in CapCut. Next cell, the image prompt, a full descriptive prompt ready to paste into any image generator, with subject, mood, lighting, and composition all written out. Next, the image to video prompt, a single motion instruction for animating the still. And finally, the stock keyword, 1 to 3 words to search on pixels if you prefer real footage. Scroll through the rest of the table. Same concept, every row, all the way through the script. This visual plan is what makes production fast. You'll see exactly why in the next steps. Visual plan done. Now we produce the video. Open Google AI Studio. Click the voice drop-down on the right side and browse the options. For a motivational speech video, you want a voice that's clear and deep. That combination carries authority and keeps people engaged through a full hour of content. Select the one that fits. Before pasting the script, we're going to do one thing most people never think to do. Go back to NotebookLM, the same project that wrote the script. Type, "Give me a one-sentence context to use when using TTS with this script." Watch what comes back. A single sentence that captures the tone and intent of the entire script. It knows the script because it wrote it. Copy that sentence. Go back to Google AI Studio and paste it into the sample context field. Now the AI that wrote the words is also directing how they should sound. From the visual plan, I copy the voiceover text for the first 10 scenes. I'll demonstrate the workflow with 10 scenes. Once you understand the flow, doing the remaining scenes is just a matter of repeating the same steps. It's time, not complexity. Paste the 10 scenes into Google AI Studio and generate. Download the MP3. For visuals, search Google Flow on Google and go to the official site. We'll generate the first scene using AI. Take the image prompt for scene 1 directly from your visual plan, paste it into Flow, and generate. Then I upload that generated image and animate it by copying and pasting in the video prompt for scene 1 from the visual plan, and generate. That single motion is what separates this from a static slideshow. For scene 2, we'll take the stock footage path. Search pixels on Google and go to the official site. Take the stock keyword for scene 2 from your visual plan. Switch pixels search from photos to videos. Paste the keyword in and search. Now filter the results for horizontal videos. This is a YouTube video, so vertical footage won't fit the frame. Browse the results. I download several clips that look like a strong match. When you get to the edit, having multiple choices is what lets you pick the cut that flows best with the voiceover. One more thing before I show you the final video. The Faceless YouTube engine walks you through this entire workflow, from finding your niche to publishing consistently. Each chapter ends with a homework task, and a real sample video is built alongside you at every stage, so nothing stays theoretical. If you're already making videos and want to cut your production time down, the full system is inside the guide. Link is in the description. Now let me show you the final edit. Open CapCut. You can use any editor you like. Drop the voiceover in first. That's your anchor track. Everything else builds around it. Import all your clips and drop them onto the timeline. Now open your visual plan alongside CapCut. This is where having the visual plan pays off. Every clip is already matched to a sentence. You're not making decisions, you're just executing them. Sync each clip to its matching voiceover sentence one by one. Fast, systematic, no guesswork. Now add a transition between two clips. Once you've selected the one that fits, hit Apply All. CapCut applies the same transition across every clip in one click. That's your entire edit consistent in seconds. For background music, open YouTube Studio and go to the audio library in the left menu. Filter by genre first, select Cinematic. Then filter by mood, select Happy. A motivational speech video needs music that lifts, not just sits in the background. Browse the results, download the track that fits, import it into CapCut, and set the volume low so the voiceover always sits cleanly in front. For captions, open the text panel. click to Auto Caption option. This feature is a paid feature in CapCut. After caption is created, I apply one-word animation. This style works especially well for motivational content. It adds energy and rhythm to the delivery. Set the caption color to yellow. It pops against most backgrounds and keeps the viewer's eye anchored to the words. The final step is to export. Let's see the result.
You stare blankly at your glowing computer screen. The digital cursor blinks to taunt your lack of focus. You dread the mountain of tasks waiting for you today. Your passion for your chosen career is entirely gone now. Although you once dug into your projects with boundless energy and genuine enthusiasm, you now find yourself actively avoiding your daily responsibilities and dragging yourself through every single hour of the workday. We all know what it feels like to avoid work. You procrastinate on the vital projects that matter the most. You drag yourself through various tasks with absolutely zero energy. It is perfectly normal to experience fluctuations in your motivation.
With this method you learned, you can create a video of any length. Just change the word count in step 1. If you want to see this engine built for a different niche, finance, true crime, education, drop it in the comments. I pick what I cover next based on what you write there. And if you want to see another AI workflow for faceless content creation, click the video on your screen. It's one of the most liked videos on the channel. I'll see you there.